Hi everybody, I'm Tejaswin Shankar, a decathlete and high jumper, and in today's segment we're going to see what's in my bag. As a decathlete, as we know, there's 10 events in a decathlon. There's also as many shoes. So in today's challenge, I'm gonna tell you which shoes is for which event, and I'm going to do that, all of that actually, blindfolded. So since I'm the one who put these shoes in place, and for all fairness, I'm going to blindfold myself and we'll have somebody shuffle all these shoes. So I don't know which one's which shoe, and then the test is for me to find out which one is the shoe that I'm looking for. Okay. So this one has to be the distance spikes, 1500 wale hain ye. I can tell by the weight and also by, yes, there's this hole right here, that's in my distance spikes. Next one is 400. This has to be the 400 spikes. Usually आगे nails होते हैं इनमें, पीछे nails नहीं होते, but it's also very light. The sprint spikes are very similar, but वो थोड़े से bulky होंगे क्योंकि उनका जो plate होगा वो flexible नहीं होगा. These spikes have to be the white 400 spikes. These are my favorite pole vault spikes. You can also use them for triple jump. The neon green color spikes. इसका जो plate है वो काफी stiff है, but at the same time, these give you a lot of cushion. तो मुझे पोल वॉल्ट के लिए बहुत पसंद है. Has to be javelin, the bulkiest of them all. One of the easiest way to tell is there's only 2 spikes जिनके पीछे भी 4 nails होते हैं, तो वो javelin के और high jump के होते हैं. I think these are just the training flats जिसपे जब spikes नहीं होते तो आप normal running जिसपे करते हो, warm up and all those sort of things. These have to be my black training joggers. Neon green high jump spikes. Like I said, पीछे 4 nails होते हैं इनमें, but also these are much lighter and less bulkier than the javelin spikes, तो ये high jump में मेरे काम आते हैं. Okay, कितने 2-3 रह गए होंगे अब. Long jump. The way I can tell these are long jump is इसका plate थोड़ा काफी stiff है, but at the same time there's this bubble that's here, and the only spikes that has these bubbles, those are the long jump spikes. तो ये मेरे white and yellow long jump spikes हैं. You really have to know your equipment. अगर आप अपने equipment को जानते नहीं हो तो फिर बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगी. These have to be the short put and the discus. Obviously ये one of those shoes हैं जिसमें नीचे nails नहीं होते, so that you can glide on the circle or you can rotate on the circle. Last but not the least, sprinting spikes. These are used in the hurdles and the 100-meter sprints. I really like these spikes. और I think that's it. जूते तो दिखा दिए, लेकिन अब इसको वापस पैक करना एक डेकैथलॉन करने से भी ज़्यादा बड़ा काम होता है. Especially in combined events competition when we travel with 2 suitcases, one that has all the sports equipment with shoes and one that has my clothes. So वापस पैक करने का सफ़र